Hey everybody, my name's Colin, and on our stage here last summer we had some people cut some holes in it, so we needed some security for that. We're here at the fairgrounds in Kit Carson County, and you don't have a lot of options for places to put cameras that have power on them and, you know, weatherproof, stuff like that. So I contacted Mike Blecka at Anywhere.Cams. I got a camera installed up on the pole up there. It's 100% run off of solar, which is great. Number one, great. Number two, it's on our Wi-Fi, so I can get right on it easy anytime. Number three, it's right here on my phone. You can see us down in there and wave at you, and I can get good view of the stage all the way over to the arena, so I can see if someone's out here doing nighttime stuff, if they're bringing a horse in overnight, if they're doing all kinds of stuff. You can move it with your finger, you can zoom in. It's really good quality. Let's see if we can see us. Yep, there we are. There I am. Yep. It's a really good camera. I really like it. Quality stuff.